You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this acronym. How do you say it? We'll be looking at how to say more acronyms and expressions from IT tech that many get wrong. So it's either DDoS, some say it like this, or DDoS. It stands for Denial of Service or Distributed Denial of Service. DDoS Attack, it's fine and understandable to say it as DDoS too. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.